What if I told you color isn't even real?
That may sound crazy, right? Because we see it everywhere in our lives, in our clothes, in our drawings, in books, and even in treats, everywhere basically. But guess what? Color isn't real. It's something your brain creates that makes you see things, just like color. Hey y'all! Welcome back to Stella and Alice Happy Minds Lab, where we teach you all about science and mindfulness, and we do experiments and we go to other cool places. Anyways, I'm Stella. I'm a 10-year-old certified kids yoga teacher, and this is
Alessandro, a 7-year-old who loves science, experiments, football, definitely can't leave Lego out, and meditations.
Yeah, so today we're going to do a cool experiment where we're going to teach you about how color, how we can make color disappear using paper, pen, like a black pen, some colors for drawing,
And water.
water, like that you can see
Hey,
through.
what about the Ziploc bag?
And we also need a Ziploc bag.
We're gonna go get it.
Yeah, when we put the thing in the water, right?
Have you ever felt upset or worried and then suddenly those feelings go away? Poof! Maybe you feel like everyone's mad at you or you won't be able to do it.
That's because what you think or feel isn't the whole story. Your brain tells us stories like color. Color is basically one of them. So we got and went to get our Ziploc bag. These are the things you will need. A Ziploc bag, the papers, a black pen, water where you can see through, and
a
some
lot of colors.
for drawing. So we will draw a rainbow so we can see how it disappears. Yeah, so I will draw the outline and then you can color it in, okay?
No, I want to draw the outline. I want to draw. No, how about we each do one? And whoever is better gets to go in the bag for extra protection. I'm lying.
Now that we've finished our
coloring.
drawing, like that,
Coloring.
we're gonna put it into the Ziploc bag.
Oops.
So let's just... Now we're going to outline the rainbow using a permanent marker. We're using a Sharpie so it stays on. Now we have to bend it like this so it can fit into this. And when you look from up here, there will be no color. Actually, it'll just be easier if I show you.
Can I?
Oh, there's no color. Look, color. No color. This is how we actually because there's no color in the world.
Oh my God. The colors are gone again. Colors are gone again.
Light usually travels in a straight direction, but when it hits water, it bends. So you can't see the colors exactly how they're meant to be. So basically, your brain gets confused, and it doesn't know what to do, so it just gives it its best guess, which means it sees everything in black, blank. Yeah.
Your brain is amazing, but sometimes it jumps to quick conclusions. That happens when something feels scary or upsetting.
And you don't see the full picture.
Yeah.
And that's why we practice mindfulness. We can slow down and see the full picture from our mindful perspective. So now we're going to do this mindfulness breathing exercise. It's called rainbow breathing. So Alex, you can hold the paper and I'll tell them how to do it.
Rainbow.
Hold it here. So basically, every line of the rainbow, we will breathe into the middle and then exhale. So like this. Inhale, reach the middle and hold, and exhale.
So
inhale.
Yeah.
Wait, do you have the orange one?
Inhale.
Exhale. Don't forget to hold. Inhale.
Inhale.
Hold. And exhale. Okay, so now we're gonna do it over here, like if there's an imaginary rainbow. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, and exhale. My breathing sounds like a whistle. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Inhale, hold, and exhale. And next time you feel a big emotion like frustration, being upset, or anger, or even excitement, just remember a little rainbow experiment. Just like the colors of the rainbow, our emotions can fade away, be there, and even disappear if you practice mindfulness and breathing. If you like learning about your brain and experiments, don't forget to like and subscribe to Stella and Alice Happy Mindset.